Hey, Dr. Cassie, what are some signs that a patient has poor gut health?
Poor gut health. So this is actually an interesting question. So people can have a huge range of symptoms, almost like thyroid disease, right? So there's lots of things that can tell you have poor gut health. The easy ones are when you're having issues with acne, with bloating, with gas, constipation, diarrhea, acid reflux. So any of those symptoms that you have, it's not normal to have pain or not feel well after you eat. So when you eat, if you're having any symptoms like that, that is not normal. It's also not normal to not have a bowel movement every day. You should have a bowel movement once a day. It shouldn't be really runny and it shouldn't be really hard. It shouldn't hurt and it shouldn't be diarrhea. It should just be very normal. And when you go to the bathroom and you wipe, there shouldn't be a lot of stuff on your toilet paper. If there is, then you've got an issue with your bowel movements. And so all of those symptoms are going to tell you could have a leaky gut or issues with your GI tract. A lot of people, millions of people, suffer with acid reflux. So they take medications, they take Nexium, they take omeprazole, they take Protonix, over-the-counter stuff from acid reflux. Acid reflux is a huge sign that you have something wrong with your gut. The other thing that tons of people struggle with is constipation. If you are not going to the bathroom every single day, you have an issue with your gut. Now, interestingly enough, there are actually lots of people who are very healthy, who have a very healthy immune system, and they might not even have symptoms that they have gut issues. But when you do GI maps, you actually see a lot of inflammation and issues with their gut. So those are the people that are difficult, the people who have optimized health, the people who have optimized immune systems. You can still have issues with your gut. So I would say any symptom that you have. The other thing is rashes. A lot of people will get rashes or really itchy. The other thing, women that have issues with dairy or sometimes with their gut will have a lot of allergy symptoms. You'll have a lot of runny nose, stuffy nose, chronic sinusitis, ear infections, things like that. Those are also signs that you have leaky gut or something wrong with your gut. And then the last one is just chronic debilitating fatigue. Like if you've got fatigue and somebody's, truly normalized your thyroid and your hormones and you're still really struggling with fatigue, especially after you eat or just like you sleep and you're not feeling well, a lot of times that goes back to gut issues.